Hi guys, it's Kara. Today we're going to talk about making a walking rainbow, and some supplies you will need is a table saver. I have down just some paper towel, 7 clear cups, some food coloring, some strips of paper towel, a stirrer, and some cups of water. So to get started, you want to fill every other cup with some water. Next, you want to add your food coloring. So you're going to start with red, and I have powder food coloring, but any food coloring will work. So you're going to start with red. Next, you're going to add yellow. Blue. And then in your last cup, you're going to add some more red. So now you're going to use your stirrer and stir them up and make sure that the food coloring is dissolved and all incorporated with the water. So now that all of our colors are mixed, we're going to take some strips of paper towel and we are going to place them inside each cup with the other side in the empty cup. So the only part here that is really important is that you want to make sure your paper towels from the red and the yellow cup in the empty cup are touching a little bit, and same thing for the other cups as well. This will make sure we can see how the water travels and what colors mix together to make new colors. So now all we have left to do is wait and check back in a few hours to see what happened. Hi guys, it's Kara. It's been 4 whole hours and a lot has happened to our rainbow. So let's see, what started in our red cup, some of the water climbed up the paper towel and made its way into the empty cup. Same thing happened with yellow, and they mixed and they made orange. And then same thing happened with the yellow and the blue. The water climbed up the paper towel and then climbed down into the empty cup and made green. And then over here from blue into red, the water into watercolor climbed all the way up the paper towel and then down and into the empty cup and made purple. This experiment was so much fun. Let me know if you guys try it.